Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.7 optional exercise third problem. Our question is, a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, that the speed is 10 km more, it would have taken 2 hours less for the journey. So time became 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, if the speed is being reduced by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train they are asking. So in this question, we don't know what is the usual speed and what is the scheduled time. That is the usual time what it is taken. So let us take now. So let us take the speed is x. In the beginning, let us consider it as x, and let us take the time as y. The time is y we are going. This is a usual time. This is a usual speed. So speed and time we have considered. Then what will be the distance now? So what is the distance formula? Usual distance formula is speed into time. So speed into time is nothing but x into y. That is your xy. Now by the given condition, we are going to draw the small table. The table will help you to write your equation very easily. So distance, speed and time we are going to take now. So here I am going to take the distance, here I am going to take the speed, and here I am going to take the time. So let us go to the question first. The certain distance, the distance is xy only. Our question, if the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, the speed is increased 10 km per hour. So here we should write x is the usual speed, now it is 10 km faster, that is x plus 10. If this has happened, the time will become, it would have taken 2 hours less for the time, less for the scheduled time. That means normal timing is y, so y minus 2 it will be, that is 2 hours less for the journey is mentioned in the question. So that is the first condition. Distance will be the same xy only. We'll go to the second part now. So this is the first case what is given in the question. So the second part will read the question again. So and if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, that means the speed is reduced to 10 km per hour. So the speed you have to write x minus 10. If the speed is less by this much, then you would have taken 3 hours more for the scheduled time. So the time will become 3 hours more than, that means y is plus 3 you should take. Time will be y plus 3. 3 hours more than. So y plus 3 you have to take. Distance will never change. Distance will be xy only, that we have taken here. So this is our condition. We all know that distance equal to speed into time. So we are going to write the two condition with the use of this only. Distance equal to speed into time. So first equation, distance is equal to speed into time. That is our first case. Here our second case, again distance is equal to speed into time. Here the speed is x minus 10, time is y plus 3. So x minus 10 into y plus 3 we have to take. By simplifying this, we can get the equation very easily. So let us simplify now. So xy is equal to, first I am multiplying with the x into y will be xy, and x into 2 will be 2x. And with the 10 I have to multiply. So 10 into y will become 10y. And 10 into 2 will be 20. So minus is there. So minus 20. So the next step, we have to bring all the variable to the one side. So here I am having the xy. This plus xy I am bringing it to this side. That will become minus xy. So the minus 2x will bring to this side is a plus 2x. This is a plus 10y bringing to this side is a minus 10y. Which is equal to this minus 20. Number alone I am keeping one side. Plus xy minus xy will get cancelled. So the remaining equation is 2x minus 10y, which is equal to minus 20 we are getting. So this is the first equation. We will move on to the second equation now. Keep the xy as it is. Here first x into y, xy, and x into 3 will be 3x. Again with the multiplication of 10, 10 into y became 10y. And 10 into 3 will be 30. So minus into plus is minus, so minus 30. Same way all the variables should be bring to the same side. So this xy I am writing as it is. This plus xy bring the minus xy this side. This a plus 3x will become minus 3x now. This minus 10y will become a plus 10y this side, which is equal to minus 30 we are getting. So plus xy minus xy will get cancelled. So the remaining equation is minus 3x plus 10y is equal to minus 30 we are getting. So here there is no common table to divide, but here 2x 10y equal to minus 20 we are getting. So all the numbers will divisible by 2. So let us write divided by 2 on both sides. So divided by 2. So here we have to write 2x by 2 minus 10y by 2, which is equal to minus 20 by 2. So after division, so we are dividing here. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1x. 2 and 10 will get cancel, that is 5 times. So 5y, which is equal to minus 10. So this is our first equation. Second equation here we already have. This is our second equation. So we are going to solve these two. Any method we can use it. We are going to use the elimination method. So solve 1 and 2 by elimination method. That is very easy. So elimination method we have fixed now. So here I have minus 3x. Here I have 1x. So 1 and 3, I want to make this 1 as 3. So the first equation I have to multiply by 3 now. So the first equation I am multiplying by 3. So this will give you 3x minus 3 5s are 15y. And 3 into 10 will give you minus 30 this side. Second equation I don't need to multiply with any number because I am already having the 3 as it is. So minus 3x plus 10y, which is equal to minus 30 we are getting. So here plus 3x minus 3x is already available. It will get cancelled. So minus 15 plus 10 will give you minus 5y, which is equal to minus 30 minus 30 will give you minus 60. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 60 by 5, that is equal to 12 times. So 1 time 12 times. So y is equal to 12 we are getting. That is y is our time. So y is equal to 12 we are getting. Now the y value should be substituted in any one of the equation to get your x value. So let us substitute y value in our first equation. So substitute y value in first equation. This is our first equation, that is x minus 5y is equal to minus 10. Now keep the x as it is, minus 5 into the place of y you have to take this 12, which is equal to minus 10. So x minus 5 into 12 will give you 60, which is equal to minus 10. So the minus 60, if you bring it into that side, that will become a plus 60. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 60. That will give you x is equal to 50. So x is nothing but the speed we have taken. So speed, that usual speed is 50 km per hour. And y is the time we have taken already. So time the taken usual time is 12 hours. So that is a question they are asking. Now finally, after finding speed and time, we need to find the distance also. So the distance formula, distance equal to speed into time. Here the speed is 50 and our time is 12. So let us multiple. We know that 12 5s are 60. Here one more 0 is available. So 600 km is your speed. So that is your problem, students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.